We're packing up and saying goodbye to Normal, Illinois, because clearly we prefer to be far from normal. All right. Walkie-talkies? That's asking. Oh, it's in there probably.
Yeah.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Our next stop, Wisconsin, which brings us to today's mission, Turtle the Camper. It feels like forever since we've turtled this camper. That's our highly scientific term for setting our tiny home on the back of our truck without breaking a leg, ours or the camper's. And why do we call it turtling? Well, camper shell, turtled. It made perfect sense in my head. Of course, my head also thinks eating trail mix and popcorn counts as dinner, so take it for what it's worth. Hey, should I take this hose off?
No, it's not necessary. It won't be in the way.
Okay. Dumb question, are you lowered already? Pretty cool, eh? That's our Kelderman air ride system. We can lower the truck to make it easier to slide right under. Not necessary, but really nice to have for landing that camper. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick peek here. We are off angle. You're kind of at 11 o'clock rather than being at 12 o'clock. Now come back a little bit, passenger. I'm thinking that looks good. All right, you keep on coming back. Just go straight. Yep, you're good to come back. Now let's go straight. All right, let me check the other side. I'm going to have you do just a tiny bit passenger again, just a little bit. I think that will be enough. Go straight back then. I'm lowering this a little bit because the front is higher than the back. Based upon the angle of the truck. All right, tap back. Tap. 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 Ooh. Oh, so shit. Go forward, go forward, go forward. Just a little bit. Just stop. That's good. At least it's just water. I thought that was not going to work. Well, shit happens. Half a tap? A little bit more. Okay, let's start there. We're good now. Anyways, we've been at this location for 4 months, which is way more than enough time to forget how much crap we actually have. We're now questioning our life choices as we attempt to shove all of the stuff in the flank sides of our truck. Oh, and that was camper jacks we used while being off the truck that entire time. These usually stay in North Carolina with Gary's parents, but since we planned for this Midwestern surgery adventure, we brought them with. Well, we are at our first event after the surgeries. We are at the Apex Festival, which is a combination racing and music festival that's over here in Plymouth, Wisconsin. So we'll be taking you along and seeing what we've done. We've never been to this, so this is going to be kind of fun. That's the sound of fun.
There's campers right there. Oh, so we're right next to the track.
Camping is one of the best ways to experience multi-day events like this one. But you don't need an RV. Many times camping in tents is also available, like here. But for us, our truck camper was perfect. I can handle these.
Huh?
This is my level of noise.
I want to see where the Mini Cooper is.
That was quiet.
There's Cooper.
In the top five, the Odyssey, trying to close up on the championship. Boy, cruising on row one, Ashley, Fisher, row two.
Somebody beat the hell out of the hornies.
Yeah. We want to walk up to the track area over there and see the next lap.
Let's go around this corner here.
Yeah.
It is going to be a seriously loud night tonight.
Oh yeah.
We used the free shuttle service they had to get the lay of the land.
I think they're offline.
This place is huge.
How many tires they go?
We thought the shuttle service would be easy and convenient. Instead, it was crowded and far away from our camper. So I had to sell my left kidney on Craigslist to score this luxury golf cart rental for the weekend. But hey, with Gary still breaking in his second titanium knee, I guess we can splurge a little this time.
Oh, he's out.
He's out. Oh. There were so many different classes of cars on the track that it seemed you could never get bored of watching, even if you're not a die-hard racing fan like me. We picked this corner for a few hours and just watched several of the races. With the golf cart, we packed food and some lawn chairs to relax and enjoy the day. But honestly, the night is my favorite part. That's when the Summer Apex Festival shifts gears into full EDM mode thanks to Gridlife. Now, I know what you're thinking. Race cars and raves? Does that work? Once you throw in drifting, it kind of somehow clicks. The only downside? Gary and Michael are not EDM people. So I can't exactly rage until sunrise. But don't worry, I'm not letting them escape without at least a little ringing in their ears before we head back to home base. We woke up into this sound this morning. 8 o'clock, sharp. It was like an alarm clock, and yeah, we weren't quite ready. It was good though. You know, doesn't happen very often. Look out our window, I'm making coffee. That is definitely an interesting morning wake up. Having our camper at events like this one also saves money and time. I quickly made a few ham, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches, along with my desperately needed coffee, and enjoyed watching the morning races. Our plan today is to find a few more corners to watch and catch the drifting course. We found our new corner for a few hours this morning. We found a nice place on this hill in between the drifting and the other track. We call these the Pissed Off Hornet Racing Glass.
Can't see them, but you can hear them.
Man, we're already coming back.
Man, these are fast.
There they are. That takes a run.
And if the main course wasn't entertaining enough, we just had to rotate and watch the drifters smoking up a different track.
These guys are freaking nuts.
Yeah.
They were dancing. Oh, there we go.
It's just like mass chaos.
It's awesome. Oh,
We'll have to call that one car the Flaming Burrito. It's like a typical day in Chicago.
barely even see the cars.
Time for a location change. And what better place than the staging area for the next race? Gary tells me this area is called the False Grid, so I learned something new today. I'm just tickled we could get so close. I'll admit I'm a newbie, but this was pretty sweet. It was also awesome to see the same cars as they came off the track from the race. And our final location for the day, the main track with racing and drifting along with some of my personal Dramamine-induced videos, so hang on tight.
I don't even know how to get this.
This is also my final night to get a little EDM in my soul while dragging Gary and Michael along.
Just open your mouth, we're both talking louder. You take the fall on me.
And I go to war for you. Don't help me destroy you. Cut so deep, human and cheap. How does it go?
I am not a night owl, so having our camper a short golf cart ride away from this place was priceless.
Been waiting for tall, no crystal ball. What can I say? I can't wait for you. What can I say? I'm not made for you. Running in place, everything's loose. What can I say?
Chilling in our camper between the transition to the new forest stage was helpful, but it was still hard to drag Gary and Michael with. We didn't stay long, but I'm really glad we went out.
Wow. Oh, it looks so amazing.
I guess I just need to find some friends on the road who are also into EDM concerts. Thanks for sticking around this long and letting my inner EDM goddess come out just a little bit. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but sometimes you just have to share. I'm definitely looking for future venues to enjoy an event like this while using our camper as home base. We'll see you in a week or two on our next excursion. Until then, leave every place you visit just a little better, and we'll see you on the next trail.